Okay, very simple video about procedures. So procedures, similar to functions, but they don't return values. In Python, all subprograms are functions. Okay, they're all defined as functions, but in terms of the terminology, only functions return values. So let's just write one, see what it looks like. So we still use define. Let's just say we've got a very simple greeting and we pass through a parameter. So if we know the first name of somebody, we can print out, that's fine in a procedure. So we can say hello, first name. Okay. And then what we could do is we could just call the function, the procedure, sorry, oh my gosh, and put through a parameter. So Tobin is the argument that goes through the parameter first name, but we're not returning a value. So just, there we go, let's keep this on the same page. There you go, and I can call that as many times as I like. All right, whoever, I can make anything I like. So I can call that procedure just like I do a function, but it doesn't return a variable. So what we can use here, let's have another example. So I'm just going to wrap these in a triple quoted string here. I can, let's tweak a tagline. A tagline equals a string. Python is the best. Right, that's my tagline. And let's make a little sort of menu. So it's someone using a program. There's no parameters through here. And we can just kind of print things out. So we're going to print out off our tagline. It's a global function, so any part of the program can use it. And we're going to have, let's say, one string. Let's have a string. Display game rules. Right, something like that. Oh, instead of exclamation, I'll put one. And then we could have another part of our menu. I'm just making this up. To start a new game. Print 3 quit game. So if I run this, oh, I haven't called the procedure yet. So in order to call it, I just put the name of the procedure. I don't have to print it out like I do with functions because it already has print statements in it. Oh, what am I doing? Logo, that should be tagline. There we go. So it prints out a tagline, displays each line there. It's really, really simple. There's no parameters to that. It prints everything out inside the procedure and nothing is being returned. So that's the difference between a procedure and a function. And there's lots of terminology that can trip you up. Subroutines and subprograms are the same. Functions and procedure are both subprograms and subroutines. However, procedures don't return values.